Mechanical keyboards are known for their great responsive feel, but not for their looks. Most are bulky or wired. It's time for a change. Meet Keychron, an ultra-slim wireless mechanical keyboard featuring an aluminum frame with ultra-thin mechanical switches. Keychron offers the standard 87 or 104 keys layout, reinvented with upgrades to boost your productivity. Available for both Mac and Windows, it comes with a designated Siri for Mac or Cortana for Windows key, a dictation key, and a screenshot key. With its ultra-thin mechanical switches and its light aluminum alloy frame, the Keychron is one of the thinnest mechanical keyboards ever. Compared with other mechanical keyboards, it requires less force and uses less finger travel, which reduces finger fatigue and provides an unmatched typing comfortability. Evoke your personality with over 10 built-in RGB light effects. Pair up to 3 different devices with Bluetooth or use a USB-C cable to charge it up. Keychron, an ultra-slim wireless mechanical keyboard.